Hey everyone, my name is Braylon, and I'm going to share with you my family social science night. My theme or topic for my social night is our community helpers. I chose this theme because when everyone comes together, there can be a stronger community for children and even for families. I've seen firsthand how excited children get when they see community helpers. It helps them see that different children's parents are not only parents, but they also contribute to our community and make an impact daily. I think that children really realize this when they see and hear about different community jobs personally. My age group for my topic is preschool age, so it's ages 3 to 4 years old. I will mainly be working with the Head Start standards, and the main standard that I'll be using is the self, family, and community. And that standard is the understanding of one's relationship with the family and community, roles in the family and community, and respect for diversity. These standards can be found through Head Start. My event will consist of 2 main activities. The first activity is community helper hat making, and the second is community helper rotations. In the community helper hat making, children and their families will come together as a community to create and talk as a group about what are the jobs that our people have within the community. They will design and cut out their very own community helper hats. Families will be provided with the materials to help them create their hats. They can wear their hats throughout the event if they desire. The benefits of the activity. This activity is beneficial because this activity does not only spark conversation and critical thinking of children concerning what jobs our community helpers have, but it also allows the community to come together and to create together. My second activity is the community helper rotations. Children and families will rotate centers in which they get to hear about different jobs that our community helpers have. In each center, they will learn about the different duties and how each community job benefits us. They will get to learn in depth what each person has to go through daily and how it helps our community. The benefits of this activity. Not only does this activity help children better understand what community helpers actually do, but it helps children and families understand that there are so many people around us who make up our community and who help it to thrive daily. For the communication in my event, I plan on doing most of my communication through an app called Brightwell. I currently use this app at my preschool and have a lot of success. I would plan to reach out to families a month prior and send a message along with the following flyer that I have created. I would also send out a sign-up sheet for volunteers, specifying volunteers who could share and bring props about their jobs. In addition, I would have a short briefing or a rundown of the event through Zoom. The logistics. I would host my event in April, and it would be hosted in my school's NPR. I would ask for 6 volunteers for the following community helper stations. Volunteers for helping set up the activity center, volunteers for helping set up and tear down, and volunteers for directing families where to go. I would send out a handout to the parents or families on instructions of the event. I would also try to schedule a virtual meeting to go over the logistics of the job and provide parents information such as the job that they are responsible for and the pieces of information such as where the exits are of the building. Materials. The materials for the activities and for the whole event would be the following. For the activities, it would be community helper printables, child-safe scissors, tape, markers, or crayons. Extra materials for the event would include tables, chairs, decorations, and materials that volunteers will need, additional to their own. Through this project, I have learned a lot. Throughout doing research and looking up ideas on how to have a family social studies night, I have learned that there is a lot more detail that goes into an event such as this, and that is what I've realized. I do believe that the information that I have learned can better prepare me if I did host an event. I hope that I can take what I learned and be able to apply it in my career. Thank you guys for watching.